Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Deanna, and in this video I'm going to be doing a hair review for the hair that I'm wearing in my head. Got this from a company called Teara Shanice, and not only just a company, this is a black owned business. The first thing that I want to say about this hair is that I really love this hair. I don't know if you've watched my videos before, but if you see my videos in the past, you know, probably my favorite hair company was Wiggins Hair Company. But honestly, I really love this hair more than Wiggins. And I say that because I really love the texture. I don't know if you guys remember True Glory from back in the day before they changed vendors, but this hair kind of reminds me of the old school True Glory hair, that type of texture that just blends so well with natural black hair. That's this hair for me. It has a nice density. I have in 3 bundles right now, and it is very full, and I have it in a 22, 24, and 26 inches, and the hair is very long. I have it curled right now, so you can't really tell, but when I do this, the 26 inch falls, you can't even see it. Almost at my shorts. If you can see, this is almost at my shorts. That's how long the 26 inch is. It falls like a 28, 30 inch. If I just run the comb through it, one, it's not getting any snags. And these curls look just so nice. This hair is amazing. Just in case you wanted to see. But I'm also going to be doing a tutorial on this hair, on how I got the curls in this hair. Now, I got this hair in a Bodywave texture, but the Bodywave is more of a looser wave than this. So I just want to run through a couple of pros and cons about the hair. So I really don't have anything bad to say about the hair. The only bad thing I'll say is when I first got the hair, like I told you, it was a Bodywave texture. When I co-washed it, the waves weren't as wavy anymore when I co-washed it. So that's the only thing that I can say about the hair. But I will say this hair can hold a curl really well. I curled my hair, for the purpose of this video, I curled my hair, but if I'll curl my hair like this on a typical day, these curls will last 2 to 3 days. They will stay in, so this hair can definitely hold a curl. And it's just so pretty. And so for shedding, I can do my hands like this, and I do get minimal shedding. I will get a couple of strands, but it's not a lot. I just got a strand like this. Oh, never mind, that wasn't even a strand. Okay, well, you get the point. If I keep brushing my hair and combing through my hair, I'll get a couple of strands, but it doesn't shed terribly. I had this hair installed for a month. I didn't just get the hair, wear it for a week, do a review. No, I have this installed as a sew-in. So I've slept in the hair, I've washed the hair a couple times, I work out in this hair. I live life in this hair, and it is kicking, okay? And it's not going anywhere in no time soon. I'm about to get it taken out and put right back in for my birthday. This is my birthday hair. When I say this hair is freaking gorgeous, honestly, I don't need no other hair. I'm good. I'm good. This is good. Honestly, truly, I don't even want any other hair. Wiggins is cool and all, but this hair, it's just something about the texture. I particularly love this particular texture of Brazilian. Because some people will have Brazilian hair and it'll be really silky. This is more of a thicker, coarser texture, and it's just because I can tell the hair follicles are a little thicker to make the hair seem thicker and fuller, and that's the type of hair that I like, and that's the kind of hair this is. This is quality hair for real. So I'm going to have all the information for this hair in the description box below. So I'm going to stop rambling now and go ahead and get into the video to show you guys how I got the curls in this hair, how I was able to get this look. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you want to see how I got the curls in this hair, you got to keep on watching. Okay, so this tutorial is not going to be very long at all because it is extremely simple. The key to getting these curls is to make sure you use very small sections and wrap, not very, very small, but like an inch, like 1 inch sections or whatever, and wrap it really, really tightly against your barrel. I prefer to use a smaller barrel because bigger barrels give you bigger curls. Yeah, so what I'm basically going to do is just that over my head, splitting my hair into different sections and wrapping it tight. Here, I'm just using a light hold spritz to hold my hair in place. Something else that I want to point out too is that when you're doing the front of your hair, make sure you wrap your hair all the way down to like the bottom. Wrap the whole strand, not just like a portion. Like some people start in the middle and will wrap just the middle or have the curls going towards the ends of the hair. But make sure you wrap the whole thing so that when you brush it out, it actually looks right. Because like if you don't, you'll have like straight hair in your face, and I'm pretty sure you won't like that. So one of the last things that I want to do to get my hair to blend is basically blend my hair with the other hair with the weave. So I do that by taking small sections of my hair and I'll curl it along with the weave hair so that it blends together seamlessly and I don't have any issues.